Hi there, I'm Julia, I'm the founder of Travel Dude, and we are convinced that travel bags can also be sustainable. We, as experienced travelers, created the perfect packing cubes which you could convert into day bags. We start by collecting used plastic bottles and press them into bundles. They get shredded into little flakes and washed. The flakes are dried, melted and spun into thin yarn fibers. And from that we get the fabrics of our packing cubes. Save space and time with these multifunctional bags. Turn the hip bag into a cable organizer, a toiletry bag or whatever you come up with. You no longer have to take an additional backpack with you. We've got you covered. Support us now in realizing our vision. Travel Dude, from backpackers for backpackers.